In this short video, we are going to look at the diseases of catfish and its causes. When I say its causes, that is the causative agents, that is the organisms that causes these very diseases in catfish. Diseases in any catfish can be broadly categorized as one, viral infections. These are the ones caused by viruses. Two, bacterial infections. These are the ones caused by bacteria. Three, fungal infections. These are the ones caused by fungi. Four, parasitic infections. These are the ones caused by parasites. Outside these very causative agents, there are other contributing factors that lead to these diseases. One of such contributing factor is the nutritional factor. In every feed of catfish, it should contain the right proportion of every constituent that is being used to formulate the feed. And number two factor is the management. How the fish is being handled matters so much. Example of this management level is the water parameter, biosecurity, etc. But we are going to look at all this in a more detailed form. So let's go back to these causative agents. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, like, follow, and subscribe to our videos. Some of these bacterial diseases are: one, red spot disease. The red spot disease is caused by a bacteria, and this causative agent is known as the Aeromonas. So the Aeromonas are responsible for the red spot diseases you find in catfish. Two, we have the bacillary necrosis. This bacillary necrosis is caused by a bacterial family known as the Enterobacteriaceae. So the Enterobacteriaceae are the causative agents of the bacillary necrosis. And the third that we are quickly going to look at in this bacterial disease is the colonarias disease. The colonariasis is being caused by a bacteria known as the Flavobacterium colonarias. So all these very three diseases that we've just made mention of, which are the red spot disease, the bacillary necrosis, and the colonariasis disease, are all being caused by bacteria. So we are going to look at each of these in a more detail in our subsequent videos. So let's quickly look at the fungal disease. The fungal disease is being caused by fungi. An example of this very fungal disease is the saprolegionnaise. The saprolegionnaise is being caused by water mold. And this very causative agent is known or called as the saprolegionnaire. So this is the one that is responsible for the fungal infection. And lastly, that I'm going to quickly touch is the parasitic infections. This parasitic infection is being caused by parasites, and this very parasite can be classified into two: the entoparasitic infection and the endoparasitic infections. The ectoparasitic infections, these are the ones that you can see pronounced outside the catfish, while the endoparasitic infection is the one that is inside the fish. So we are going to be looking at a detail of these very diseases one by one in our subsequent videos. And also we are still going to look at the treatment and how to manage this very catfish in order to avoid this very outbreak of these various diseases.